It's a real honour to be here today to get behind our manufacturers and growers, launching the biggest advertising campaign the Australian Made has ever delivered, the Made Right Here campaign, where we're celebrating our makers and growers and the famous green and gold kangaroo logo. When you buy Aussie, you invest in Australia's economy, you create jobs, economic activity and support our local communities.
And this campaign is about getting Australians to recognise the benefits of Australia Made.
This campaign is all about promoting to consumers the benefits of buying Australian-made products. And it's important that Australians understand the value of supporting the local economy.
It's all about creating jobs locally, driving the economy and keeping that supply chain and ecosystem alive and well.
The federal government has got right behind Australian Made. It's important for Australia to manufacture, to have a supply chain that means that we can rely on ourselves, but most importantly, to help Australians know that there are lots of things made in Australia.
Well, these sorts of events are fantastic because we have ministerial support. They come in on the ground level, they see and support our manufacturers, they see firsthand. It's a demonstration too that it's important to our government. It means it's important to consumers, it's important to voters, and I think it's a real demonstration that we're all here to support local manufacturing, sovereign capability for the benefit of all Australians.
It's got 99% recognition and 93% trust. Really important and valuable to consumers because it helps them with their purchase decisions and they can make confident purchase decisions and know that they are supporting their economy, their community and jobs for them and their children in the future. At Australian Made we have 4,500 licensees who have joined the campaign and we're looking to grow that number as part of this campaign. I mean, currently that 4,500 licensees employ over 40,000 people and generate over $8.1 billion for the Australian economy. It's super important to all Australians that we support Australian manufacturers and Australian-made products.
This is a high-quality advertising campaign that's all about reminding Australians of the advantages of buying Australian for Australia and Australian jobs. It delivers good jobs. It makes our communities stronger and it makes Australia and Australia's economy stronger too.
When you make it right, you make it right here in Australia. We all benefit when we make things here in Australia, whether it's businesses, consumers and everyday Australians.